So let's quickly recap what you have learned so far. We talked about the expression class, which is the base class for all types of expressions. Derivatives of this class are value for representing simple values like a boolean, a number, a string. We have f for referencing fields, func for calling database functions, aggregate, which is the base class for all aggregate classes like count, sum, and so on. Now, in this lesson, we're going to talk about another derivative of the expression class called expression wrapper. We use this class when building complex expressions. So here's an example. Let's say we're going to annotate our products and give them a new field called discounted price. So here we're going to get the unit price and multiply it by, let's say, 0.8. Now, if we run this query, we're going to get an exception. So take a look. So we get this error saying expression contains mixed types because we have mixed a decimal field, which is our unit price field, with a float field, which is our 0.8 number. Now the error is saying that we must set the output field. So to solve this problem, first we need to import the expression wrapper class from the same module, from the models module. Now we should wrap this expression inside an expression wrapper object, and that's where we specify the type of the output field. So to keep our code clean, I would prefer not to wrap this expression right here. I would prefer to create an expression wrapper object over here. Then we move this right here. And as the second argument to the constructor of this class, we specify the output field. So we need to decide what is the type of the output field. For monetary values, we should always use a decimal field because float fields have a rounding issue and are not very accurate. So back to our code, we set the output field to a decimal field object. So make sure to create an object, we're not simply passing the name of the class, we're creating an object, okay? Now we can store the result in a separate object like discounted price, and then we use that over here. Now, let's run our query. Okay, no more error. So let's see what is sent to the database. There you go. We have a new computed column, which takes the unit price and multiplies it by 0.8. So this is how we can use expression wrapper objects. Now, once again, there is a PDF below this video where you can find a bunch of exercises and their solutions. So spend a few minutes on those and then come back, see the next lesson.